Here is how to drag code blocks in Scratch. So when you've got the code tab selected, you can go through all of these different categories. Notice that they've got colours, and those colours match the colours of the block. So when you're looking at your tutorial in your 24 days of Scratch coding book, you can see what the colour of the block is, and that will help you find it. So you start by clicking and holding the block that you need, and then you let go and it will land into this code area. When you want to add another block to it, you find it, you click and hold and you drag it, and you'll notice that a little shadow appears showing you where that block is going to snap to. So when you let go, it snaps to where it needs to go. You might also see some trickier looking blocks that have got these strange jagged blocks inside them. So if you look there, that one's got a little jagged shape. That means it's looking for an operator, so a green block. And if you look here, you'll see that jagged shape here. So it might want you to do the equals to one. So if you have a look, it's got a little equals sign on it there. And then you just drag it in. Notice that that little white outline appears to show you where it's going to land. And then you might get a sensing block to put in there, so it might be loudness, and then you can drag that in. Notice that white outline that appears. The other thing that's a little bit tricky is things like a loop. So a forever block, you might want it inside something. If you put it in the wrong place, just grab the top of the block and pull it out again. If you want it to be around the whole thing, then you can click around the top edge of it, and you'll see that shadow again appears showing you where it's going to land when you press let go. And then if you want to get that forever block back now on its own, you just need to remove the middle section, then that section, and then put it back. So that's a quick tour of blocks in Scratch.